This place is amazing from up there. I always love going there with my family. Have you been there before?
I have not been before, Tina.
Oh, you haven't? Well, you're missing out fun out there. Oh shit, sorry. Did I say something bad?
No, it's just a little taste, that's all.
Oh, thank God.
No freaking way. We're looking fireworks.
Hey, Rain, I want you to get to know about you more. What about your childhood like?
I don't want to talk about it because I was afraid of it.
Hey, it's okay. I know you're scared to talk about your past, but it'll be okay, I promise.
Okay, I'll tell you. So I passed few years with my mom and my dad. They're going to protect me with my childhood friends. I asked Mia to babysit my sister, Ollie Wilson, who is very shy to see Mia. I rode to my house only to find a strange man, murder my mom and possibly my dad.
So your parents were murdered?
Yes, me and my sister have to live through this nightmare.
I'm I'm so sorry. You really don't deserve this, but you're not alone because I used to lose my parents.
Wait, you too? How?
They might die in a car accident. I still miss them, but I still have hope in myself. Do you?
No, and that I wasn't hero worthily.
Why not?
I thought I was a hero, but in reality, being a hero felt like a joke to me. But I have a fighting skill from my enemies. He could say Miyuki all because of Plato. I have a nightmare about the rest of the precures being captured. Also, I even more worry that I not like Sonic or Jonathan, all heroic, brave and hopeful. And if I not like them, then what is he to her?
I still like you, even if you have some low self-esteem. You were very nice to me. You're still my hero, not because of your fighting skills, but for who you are. In here, I don't care if we just met each other or if we have our first date together, but the truth is, I love you too.
Focus. I can't believe I do this.
You, you kissed me. I never seen you done that before.
I want to do this for a very long time. Ever since I met Tina, as beautiful as you.
It, it honestly felt good. We should do this more often.
I love you, Tina.
I love you too, Rain.